you may think that this studio is real, but you are wrong. This is a completely fake studio. And in this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make this studio for yourself.
Before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the next tutorials. First, you should shot the film in a place with a simple background. Here, the wall behind me is pale green, but it doesn't matter. The importance is that the color of the wall is different from my clothes. After that, for overlay section, enter your desired background image into the CapCut. Now from the cutout part, from the remove background section, remove the background of your subject. In my previous videos, I gave a complete tutorial on how to use CapCut components. If you haven't seen the video that I put on the top of the page, then go and watch it, and after that came to this tutorial. From the retouch section, you can make up yourself or even make your face parts bigger and smaller. It is very interesting, doesn't it? Now you don't even need to wear makeup anymore. Apply changes in the color of the entire video to adjust so that the subject matches the background. From the filter section, choose filter HD Dark. Now export your video and open it again in the CapCut. From keyframe section, we place a keyframe at the beginning of the video and zoom in on the subject, and gradually we reduce the zoom from the subject. Now we go to the effects and video effects. For the first video effect, I choose wobble effect. For the second video effect, I choose vignette effect for all of the parts of the video. For the third one, I choose galaxy blur. And for the fourth video effect, I choose rebound swing. To To make the video more attractive, I used the warning effect because I told the audience that they were deceived. The camera focus effect can also make the video more interesting. That's why I choose this effect as the next effect. From the effects in the audio section, search for the warning sound. The sound effects section are full of various effects that you can easily find the sound you want from the search section. From the voice effects section, you can change your voice to various sounds. For example, change your voice from the mic hug section to a sound as if you are talking with a microphone, and many other sounds. In the sticker section, there are many stickers that you can choose according to the video. Here, because I told the audience that they were deceived, I choose the laugh sticker to make the video more attractive. And from the effects, I search for the laugh sound. And also I set animation for the stickers to seem animated and makes the video more attractive and fun. And the last edit I made is that from the sticker section I select the yeah, and from the sound effects I put the relevant sound for it. In the next section you see auto caption. With this option you can put captions for your video automatically. And you can choose your desired language. And also you can translate your video to any other language you want. And you can also change the font, style and animation of the captions. This tutorial has finished, and I hope I can teach you how to make fake studio for yourself.